Good morning, everyone. Excuse me, it's Tammy, and I have a product called Gimma's Activated Charcoal Teeth Whitening Powder. And this company was nice enough to send this to me along with a mask, which is a blackhead extractor, which looks really nice. But I'm not going to use this quite yet. When I was getting ready, I didn't realize that it was actually a mask, so it takes 10 to 15 minutes to do, and I just don't have that time this morning to dedicate to it. It is Monday, and I'm getting ready to go to work, and I thought, well, I can certainly use this and see how this goes. And what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I will use this and show you how it looks today, which I'm sure will be beautiful. And then I thought that I would use it for 10 days or so and then come back and let you guys know what I thought of it in another video. So this video is just my initial review and unboxing of it. Oops. It has a little note on the front. Moisten toothbrush slightly, dip into powder, brush your teeth as usual, rinse mouth thoroughly, use once or twice a day. I think I will just use it once a day. Those instructions are also on the box, and they are also on the container, so that's really nice too. So this is what it looks like. I'm kind of scared. I've been wanting to try this, but I have not, or try a product like this, but I have not done it. So when they asked if they could send me one, I thought, oh, that's my great opportunity. Now, okay. Okay, it has a cover on it, which is nice. Oh! Okay, can you see that? It is literally like a black powder. So I'm going to throw that in the trash can. And I already have my toothbrush wet. I'm going to dip it in. Oh my goodness. And here we go. Ah. Ah. Okay, I have rinsed, and it's kind of weird. I don't know if you can see, but there's kind of some black left at the gum line. My teeth feel clean, but I did brush them before I did this, just so you guys know. But I do have to say that this is a nice pepperminty flavor. It tastes a lot better than it looks. I mean, don't swallow it, of course, but the flavor is very nice. It does stain your brush a little bit, so I would be cautious of that. Use an old brush, which is actually what I did because I wasn't sure, and I will use that to all this week. So it's an older brush, which was a good thing to do, I would suggest. And mostly on the bottom I'm seeing it, so I don't know if I should like brush again. I don't know. But there is my initial reaction and response to this. my teeth feel clean. They don't feel grimy or gritty or anything. It was very weird rinsing, and it does say fresh mint flavor. Yeah, it was weird when you're rinsing your mouth and you spit out and it's all black and it's kind of creepy. But I don't know. I'm kind of excited to see what it looks like 10 days from now or so. So I'm kind of trying to, in my head, decide if I want to stop this now and then do, like 10 days from now on the same video, or if I want to do them in 2 separate videos. So I might actually even just ask them what they want me to do, because they did send an email. So maybe I'll see what they have to say and I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, I will see you later with hopefully whiter teeth. Hi everyone, it's Tammy again, and I just wanted to do a 10-day follow-up from using this Gamaz activated charcoal. I really think that it does work. I think that it's, I don't know how it works, but I feel like, my teeth may be a little whiter. It's really hard I didn't like put anything next to it. I didn't do the Kleenex test. But I mean, I think they're pretty decent, so I'm kind of impressed with it. I would recommend it. And I didn't realize, but you get a discount code. So if you use the code below, you can get a discount on your purchase too. And I also used the mask, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about that. So it is a blackhead extractor, and it is black. I mean, like the mask itself is black, and it is dark, and I like that it comes in the tube. I think it's easy to get out. I think it's fun to use. Now they did give me a spatula thing to use on it, to put it on, and I did it when I was in the bathtub, so I just used my hand and put it on, and then it does get dry, and not dry, but it like gets, so it's not like, at first you can put your finger in it and mess it up, and then it will dry so that it doesn't do that, and then it doesn't peel off. You have to wash it off. But I think it was a good mask. I was pleased with it, and I like to use masks, so I really have no complaints at all. I don't know why I'm putting it back in the box. I just wanted to keep the box so that you guys could see it. I guess I'll keep the spatula in case I want to use it for the next application, because there's probably at least, I would say at least 4, maybe more applications in here. Don't know if it tells you. But both of these products are really good. And again, you can use my discount code, and I hope you try them. Thanks so much, guys. If you're going to try them anyway, I would go for it. Bye-bye. I don't think it like peels off or anything. Crazy.